All right, hi. I'm gonna show you how to use the software software right here, which is called at the very bottom here. I've got the link for you. It's called Free Online Moment of Inertia. So click on that, open that up, opens this up. Now you have to log in. If you haven't signed up yet, obviously you have to sign up. But you can sign up under your school Google Gmail or just Google account. You can school email account. I've already created mine, so I'm gonna log in. And normally I'll say log in through the Google account. I would log in through the Google account. That would work. Once you get into here, you click on, this is the home right here. So that's where we're at home. Hit the show all software, go to the very bottom, click on this one right here. Actually, I'm gonna click on the launch button, okay? Hit launch. It's gonna open this up into here, okay? So we've got nodes, we've got members, we've got supports, and we've got point loads. Point loads are mainly what we're not gonna do member loads. This one allows you to actually put loads on top of a member as well. We're not gonna do that one, and we're not gonna do distributed loads. We're just gonna do point loads right from the joint. A node is a joint. A point load means it goes to the joints. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna actually do this one right here, okay? We're gonna do this one. And it's 3 up, 3 up. There's one there, there's 3 directly up and 3 directly to the road, right? We're gonna do those right now. So I'm gonna hit node, and now I gotta put in my exposition. But before I do that, I'm gonna need to change my settings. So I'm gonna click on settings here and change this to Imperial. Hit save, close, and now I click on my nodes, and I'm gonna do 0, 0. So I'm gonna hit apply to go 0, 0. There's a node, the first node's right there. Then my second node's gonna be up 3, so it's going to be Y. I'm going to change that one to 3 right there. Okay, hit apply, and I put the second node up there. My third one's going to be at this location over here, so it's 3 to the right, which is 3 in the X direction. And once I've got that done, I've got my 3 points done. Now I'm going to come to my members, and I'm going to go from node 1. This is node 1, so we'll go from node 1 to node 2. So node 1, node 2. Then I'm gonna hit apply, and it's gonna put the member in there. Then I'm gonna go 1 to 3. So click on 1, 2, 3. Hit apply. There's that one, and then I'm gonna go 2 to 3. 2, 2, 3, and then there's my members are all done. Okay, so now I come back here, and now I'm gonna click on my supports. Okay, my supports are gonna be my that's where we've got my pin, and then my 2 rollers. So depending, the pin's only one direction, so I'm gonna pin at pin 2. So I'm gonna click node 2 is where I'm gonna put the pin. See, the pin just got put there. And then I want this side roller, because if I look at my diagram here, it's got this side roller here. Now it's not gonna look exactly like this, but just you have to do the horizontal one, or the horizontal one instead of the vertical one, depending on, the roller's gotta be the correct way, otherwise it won't work, okay? So in this case, I'm gonna do the side roller here, the horizontal roller, and I'm gonna put that at node 1. Hit apply, there, put it right there. And now I've got to go back, and I've got to put my loads. So I'm going to put a load. It's going to go node 3 over here is where I want to put the load. So load 3. And the magnitude is going to be Y because it's going down, but it's a negative direction. So it's watch how I put 50. I'll put 50 right here, and I hit apply. Which direction is it pointing? Oh, that's not what I wanted at all, is it? So I got to go back to this point here and delete that one. So I'm going to click on this. Then I'm going to hit delete. Oops. Well, I didn't want to do that. It rotates too if you... You gotta make sure I click on that. Oh, I don't want to. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Okay, I can't. Why can I? Well, let me go back to a point. Maybe I can just change it here. If I go load 3.3, let's see if I can do a negative 50 here instead. It's putting them both in. See that? How I put them both in? I don't want that. I gotta click on this line somehow. There, I got it. See, I clicked on the line, now it's blue, hit delete on the keyboard, and yes, I do want to get rid of that one. Okay, now I've got the negative 50. So this is gonna be negative 50 going down. Once I'm done with that, I can just come up here and click on solve. Got everything set up right. I hit solve. It'll finish it, and it'll say successfully, solved successfully. If it doesn't say solved successfully, that means something messed up, and you've got to change something around so it does solve it successfully. Click on OK. And now the 2 areas I need is reactions. There's my reaction forces. I got 50, a negative 50 there, and a positive 50 going up. And then I've got a positive 50 going to the right on this one. Okay. Then I come to my axial, click on axial, and now that gives me my member. So I've got 50 right here, which is in compression, and then I've got 70.71 kips here, and that's in tension because the arrows are pointing away, and that is how this is done. Okay, hopefully this helps, but again, use this only to check your work. Don't use it to solve stuff.